Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to crop any portion of your video and adding some cool effect. So let's get started. We already added a sample video in our timeline. If you want to cut any portion of this video, then click on your video track and click on crop. Here you see there is a blue line around this video. For cropping this, you just drag it like this. And we are done. After cropping this video, you can place it anywhere. To unselect this crop option, click on here. Simply click on this. Now you can stretch it or down. Now I copy this track and paste it again. Now I drag it here. Look, by using crop tool, we add a different type of effect. And here we see this in our canvas. Now I show you another example of using crop tool. Again, I drag our sample video in timeline. Now I select our sample track and click on crop. Our crop option is activated. Now sketch up this a little bit. Now from the annotation section, add any text. For example, I type knowledge is power. And set it in middle. Now scratch this text over this video. Now let's play this video a little bit. So by using cropping tool, we can add different type of interesting cool effect in Camtasia Studio. Thanks for watching.